Top 5 Best Hotels with Balcony in Washington, D.C. Book a room with a balcony in Washington, D.C. to gaze over the capital of the United States and an icon of world democracy from the comfort of your private abode. You've seen it on rolling news channels, in your morning paper and on the big screen. Now take in Washington, D.C. from your very own private hotel balcony. 1. The Watergate Hotel. The name may be inextricably linked to political skullduggery, but the Watergate is honest luxury at its purest. The 336 guest rooms and suites are dressed in a respectful grey and white, softened with wood furniture. Ask for one of the rooms with a balcony overlooking the Potomac River. The Kingbird restaurant serves cuisine from the Mediterranean with a French Riviera twist, while post-day drinks are best enjoyed on either the terrace bar or in the next whiskey bar, where a wall has been created using 2,500 gently illuminated whiskey bottles. 2. The Melrose. The Melrose is firmly placed on the Georgetown culinary map, thanks to in-house destination restaurant Jardinier, which is known for farm-to-fork dining. The 240 rooms and suites have Serta pillow-top beds, large flat screens, down comforters, coffee makers, and bathrooms with black granite counters. The presidential suite has, not so much a balcony, but a grand outside terrace with space for up to 20. 3. The Dupont Circle Hotel. Named after its locale, this preppy DC hotel was put up in 1947 but had a complete renovation in 2019. It's set across 9 floors, with a hearty selection of rooms and suites, the latter of which can come with balconies or terraces. Fireplaces, marble bathrooms and a grand exterior fountain provide vintage gravitas. Evenings are a fashionable affair thanks to the hotel's mid-century cocktail bar and its farm-to-table restaurant that draws on Mediterranean and North African flavors. 4. Morrison-Clark Historic Inn. A contemporary boutique hotel established in a Victorian property on the National Register of Historic Places, the Morrison-Clark has a landscaped courtyard for al fresco dining, a free overnight shoe shine service, fret linens and complimentary copies of the Washington Post. Antiques, neoclassical accents, crystal chandeliers and Italian Carrara marble fireplaces reflect the character of the mansion house. 5. Omni Shoreham Hotel. Choose large-scale residential luxury away from the main city hub with its stay at the Omni. It has played host to lauded guests including the Beatles, after whom a suite is named. Traditional in style, it provides options, 4 places to eat, a veranda, perfectly manicured grounds, spa, fitness center and pool. A selection of suites come with a balcony, but for the ultimate luxury book a presidential suite, which also comes with a library room, kitchen and bar.